Today we're hosting the Industrialized Housing Summit from the University of Texas at Austin. So we've got about 40 people from around the country here to really learn about modular construction and really what a modular construction factory looks like. So a lot of times people think modular construction is just construction inside of a factory. But really, until you're actually in the factory, you don't see all the different supporting processes that go on that make it truly more manufacturing oriented than construction oriented.
There's something that happens when you put your boots on the ground of a facility that you can't replicate in a classroom or even like an auditorium environment. What you guys are doing is this holistic end-to-end process. And I think having that ability to see the entire operation is going to really allow someone to understand what goes into converting a shipping container into a building product. But I think you guys have an amazing representation of all of the processes that we see across the industrialized construction sphere.
So when they come and they see all the energy and all the process and all the things that are going on here, I hope they walk away inspired, excited about what modular construction is and what the future of it is.